Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to change your street location in Mobile Legends. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. So as you can see here in my case, when I get into my profile, as you can see now, the location is Egypt, Al-Qahira. Now, in order to change your location, all you have to do is to open your Play Store, then search for fake GPS, and you will find this program right here. As you can see, all you have to do is to download it. Now, after downloading and installing the application, all you have to do is to open it. Then click on Open Settings. And now you are enabled to change your location, but you should first enable the developer options on your phone. And in order to do that, go back to the settings, then find about phone or your phone and click on it. Then go till you find your number or phone number or version or whatever you have. Then click on it about 7 times till you get a message that tell you that you are now the developer. Now go to the settings and search for developer options. Now all you have to do is to look for select mock location. As you can see now, I have found it. All you have to do is to just go down, search for it till you find it, then click on it and choose fake GPS application. Now go back and open the application, and now you can choose whatever country you want to change your location to. I'm gonna choose Spain, for example. Then click on this icon right here. And now all you have to do is to restart your Mobile Legends application or reopen it again. So I'm gonna open it again, as you can see. And now after opening the game, you have to see if the place or location is changed or not. So all you have to do is to go to your profile. Then as you can see here, it is the same, but I'm gonna refresh it right now. Just click on this location. And now here in my case, it tells me that you have used your one chance to set location for this week. Please try again next week. So just because I have just put my location in Cairo today or Al-Qahira in Egypt today, so I won't be able to change my location in the same day. So I have to wait for a week. But in your case, if you have changed it before, you can change it easily and it will load on your screen till you find the new location updated right here in this point. And that's all for today. I hope this video was useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.